Good morning. Today we're gonna install gears in the Silverado. We've got some YUKON 513s for the front and rear. We got a zip lock. We've got a zip locker for the front, and we got a grizzly locker for the rear. So let's get everything out, unbox it, and get started, guys. Cue the music. There we go. We got most of the gearing assembled. We got the ring gear assembled on the open carrier. We got the grizzly locker installed inside of it. And then we pressed the bearings on the outsides of the carrier. And we got the pinion housing cleaned out. We got the races pulled out of it and the new ones reinstalled. And then we went to, install the pinion, but we're missing a bearing back here. All the other bearings in the kit were included except this one for some reason. This one right here. I mean, there's like an itty bitty one the size of this hole, but I don't know why that came in the kit or what it's for, but it has nothing to do with this. It's like the wrong part got put in the kit or something. So we need this bearing here, and then, that's what the end of the pinion sits in. And then we'll be able to continue with this install. So today's Friday, so we're gonna have to hit up Napa tomorrow. They're open, and see if they have that bearing. They probably don't, so we'll probably have to order it. But here, actually, here's the pinion. See, sits right here. That's how that big bearing sits. So we need that. I mean, in the kit. Here, I'll show you guys. This little bearing came right here. What is this bearing for? Look at that. Paul's going to help us with the camera. See how tiny it is? It's wrong. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. So that bearing's for something else. I don't know why that was included in the kit, but we'll see why that was there. So tomorrow, guys, we'll move on. Paul and I will get up. I'm gonna sleep in a little bit so we can. We'll go drive over to Napa once we meet up, get that bearing or order it, and when we have that, we'll continue this install. So we'll catch you guys then.
sure, but my brain tells me I've been here before. Don't wanna draw any attention to all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream.
Alright guys, we got that rear YUKON gear set installed. We started by, unboxing all the YUKON parts. We opened up the YUKON open carrier and installed the Grizzly locker. Got that all put together, and then we installed the 513 gears on that carrier, and then we also installed the bearings and pieces on the pinion pieces, and then we got that all installed in the axle for its initial install. We still have to set up gear engagement and backlash, but we'll do that in the next episode here, just off camera. It's not fun for you guys to watch. No reason to show you guys monotonous, boring things like that. So we're going to get that done, and then we'll move on to installing the front YUKON zip locker with its 513s on the forward axle. So we'll catch you guys then. Thank you guys for watching today. Thanks for your constant support as always. Please like and subscribe if you guys like the video. Hit the bell up there. Sometimes you have to unclick it and click it if you guys want notifications when I upload fresh videos. But nevertheless, thank you guys for your constant support as always. If you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Catch up with or follow along with the daily story there and catch up with all the crazy projects. And we'll catch you guys in the next episode.